In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send customer statements on Xero 5 minutes. Let's get started by signing into your Xero account. Head to the Xero login page, click log in, and enter your credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. From here, we're going straight to your customer list so we can generate a statement for a specific contact. At the top menu, select Contacts, then choose Customers. This opens your customer directory where you can find and open the customer you want to bill. If you have a long list, use the search bar to quickly locate the right contact. Inside the customer's profile, look for the menu with additional actions, often labeled More Options. Open that menu and select Send Statements. This takes you to the statement preview screen. At the top, adjust the date range to cover the period you want to include. For example, you might select the last month or quarter depending on what you're sending. After setting your dates, click Update to refresh the statement preview. Now review the details carefully. Check that the statement type reflects what you need. An activity statement shows all transactions within the period, while an outstanding statement highlights what's due. Make sure the balance, invoices, credits, and payments look correct. If something seems off, go back to the customer's invoices to confirm dates and statuses before sending. When you're happy with the preview, you have two ways to share it. If you prefer a hard copy or want to save a file, click Print PDF. This will create a clean, formatted document you can print or attach to an email outside of Xero. Alternatively, to send it directly from Xero, click Email. In the email window, confirm the recipient's address. If it's blank or outdated, add or correct it here so your customer receives the statement. Customize the subject and message to set the right tone. Something brief and clear works best, and then click Send. After sending, Xero notes the action in the customer's history so you can track what was sent and when. If your customer doesn't receive the message, confirm their email address in their contact profile and ask them to check their spam folder. You can always resend or choose the PDF option if needed. And that's it. Log in, open the customer, generate the statement with the right dates, then print or email. With these steps, you'll create professional statements in just a few minutes.